It's all about discover young talent, push them out of their comfort zone and to cook in another foreign country.
I'm very excited to join this competition because I can show you guys my hometown flavor, my Taiwan cuisine. Welcome to Taiwan.
I joined the competition because I could see how much potential I have.
I think a competition such as the S.Pellegrino Young Chef will give motivations to these young chefs who represent their restaurants, business, or even their country.
As a chef jury mentor, I'm very excited and to help to, this dish come out the best as possible. So it's a big responsibility, and most important, having fun. Cooking is fun and enjoyment.
Yes, like I had lots of the fun with other chefs in the kitchen. It was amazing to meet up the new guys.
Well, to me, a good chef is somebody who does everything from the heart. If there's passion in your heart, I think that it almost doesn't feel like work because you love what you do. At the same time, I think also that a good chef should have a very personal message with every dish that he creates.
From this experience, I realized that I needed to understand how to use the ingredients better and the right decisions that I can get them.
To be a good chef, you have to love to eat. Then you learn to eat good food, and only when you eat good food, you understand good food, then you train your palate, then you can make exceptional dish.